API Testing 2023, the 9 testing types you need to know. API testing is a type of testing that analyzes an API to verify that it fulfills its expected functionality, security, performance and reliability. There are 9 main types of API testing. 1. Validation testing ensures that an API functions correctly and meets its specified requirements. It involves verifying the API's response to different inputs, checking error handling, and validating data formats. 2. Functional testing validates the API's individual functionalities by sending different input data to ensure proper functionality and expected responses, ensuring reliability before deployment. 3. UI testing validates the user interface by testing interactions between the UI and the API, ensuring data synchronization and display are accurate. It identifies issues related to data retrieval, display, and user interactions. 4. Load testing evaluates an application's performance under different user demands by simulating heavy concurrent usage to identify potential issues and ensure reliable performance during peak traffic. 5. Runtime error detection in API testing involves actively monitoring and analyzing an application's behavior during runtime to identify and capture errors or anomalies that may occur while processing API requests. 6. Security testing and API testing examines the application's vulnerability to potential security risks and threats. It involves assessing the API for potential security loopholes, such as unauthorized access, data breaches, and other vulnerabilities. 7. Penetration testing and API testing involves assessing the security of an application's API by attempting to exploit vulnerabilities and weaknesses. The goal is to fortify the API against potential threats and ensure robust security measures are in place. 8. Fuzz testing and API testing involves automatically sending a large number of random, invalid, or unexpected data inputs to the API to identify vulnerabilities and potential errors. 9. Interoperability testing is a type of testing where software systems and components are tested to ensure that they can connect and communicate correctly with each other. API testing is an important part of the software development process. By testing APIs thoroughly, developers can ensure that their applications are reliable, secure, and interoperable. Here are some tips for conducting API testing. Use automated testing tools to help you test APIs quickly and efficiently. Work with stakeholders to understand their requirements and expectations. Document your test results so that you can track your progress and identify areas for improvement.